नाज़रीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। यहाँ पर मजालिसों का सिलसिला जारी है और इस वक्त हमारे साथ एक ज़ायर और एक शहीद के खादिम जनाब कमर जैदी साहब मौजूद हैं और हम जानना चाहते हैं शहीद के हवाले से क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन है आपके पास।
Dear viewers, I would like to bring in your kind notice that today the Barsi of Qazi Nurullah Shustri was commemorated here in Agra, and I also want to bring in your kind notice a short brief biography of Shahid Salis. His name was Qazi Nurullah Shustri, and he was well known as Shahid Salis, the third martyr. He was born in the Persian city of Shustr in 1549. He was educated by his father in the traditional and rational science. In the year 1584, Qazi Nurullah Shustri moved to India, and in 1594 he was appointed as Qazi of Lahore. Within a very short span of time, he occupied the position of High Office of Chief Justice during the reign of Mughal Emperor Akbar. He wrote a large number of authentic books in the reply of the books written against Shia religion. One of his books was Ihqaqul Haq, the justification of truth. A stone was raised against the book, and ultimately on 7 September 1610, Qazi Nurullah Shustri Rahma was flogged to death by merciless execution of the glorious holy saint. A Hindu historian and writer, Shri Ram Sharma, mentioned in his book Religious Policy of Mughal Emperor that Qazi Nurullah Shustri was flogged to death by Mughal Emperor Jahangir on account of being an effective writer. This learned Shia Mujtahid and holy saint lying perennial sleep in his tomb in the city of Agra in India.